Hello friends, that is the discussion of the second problem for the probability distribution. Let's check the problem. Now the problem statement says let capital X be a continuous random variable with PDF given as fx is equal to 4x cube when x is belonging to from 0 to 1 and otherwise for any other values of x the PDF is 0. We have to find the probability for x less than equal to 2 by 3 and x greater than 1 by 3. So before we continue with the solution, let's check the problem statement. If we consider the conditional probability notation, we may think that P B by A. In that way, that means the A event that has been occurred and the event B is occurring, and the equality is for that probability of A intersection B divided by PA. That means the numerator is A intersection B and the denominator is for the event which has been occurred. So we may consider that one also according to that type of conditional probability. That means in that case that event has been occurred and that event is occurring. So we may write that one as probability of x less than equal to 2 by 3 and x greater than y by 1 by 3 upon probability of x greater than 1 by 3. And according to that and, that means that is intersection, we may write it as probability of, just look after the thing, that x is greater than 1 by 3 and less than equal to 2 by 3 and upon p x greater than 1 by 3. Now just use the formulas for the PDF. That means the range for the numerator is from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 and that one is for the PDF, that is 4 of x cube, and greater than 1 by 3, that means from 1 by 3 to 1, once again that one is 4x cube. So if we integrate the two things, that means we may get, after 4 is taken as a multiplier, x cube dx, so that one is equal to x to the power 4 divided by 4 into 4, so we can omit the 4. So for that the region, that means 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, it may be up to 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. So that means the first one x to the power 4, that means 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 4. So we may get that one as 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means that one is equal to 16 minus 1 upon 3 to the power 4, or that one is 15 upon 3 to the power 4. Now for the denominator part. In the denominator part, the same integration, and here we are getting, that is x to the power 4 divided by 4, 1 by 3 to 1, or that one is 1 by 4 already been omitted. So that is 1 to the power 4 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 4. So that one is 3 to the power 4 or 3 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4. So finally we can say the result is just like 15 by 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4 minus 1 by 3 to the power 4, and the result is 3 by 16. And in that way we can also use the conditional probability formulas to find out the PDF.